There's a man who sits at home all day, no meetings, no team, no office, no press interviews, no LinkedIn posts. Most people don't even know his name, but his bank balance, over $1 billion. No noise, no glamour, just a silent business that quietly made millions every single month. Today we're talking about the business model that turned an ordinary man into a billionaire without a single headline. If you think you need a flashy startup, stage speeches, and a huge social media following to get rich, this video is going to change how you think. Watch till the end, because at the end I'll tell you how you could start this exact model in your own city. This is the story of a man who started his career in a completely ordinary job. After finishing college, he had no big fund, no special connections, but he had one thing: a habit of paying close attention to small details. One day, he noticed something in his city. People were struggling with storage space at home, smaller houses growing belongings, and a shortage of space in the city. So he thought, what if I just sold people space? And that's where a business began, the kind we now call a silent business. A business that doesn't show off, doesn't talk, just quietly keeps earning. He rented a small piece of land, built a few storage units on it, and started renting them out to people on a monthly basis. That's it. No fancy app, no massive marketing budget. Now the real question is, what made this business grow so big? Reason 1, recurring income. This wasn't a one-time sale. Every customer paid month after month. Once the system was set up, money kept coming in automatically, even without chasing new customers. Every day. Reason 2, low maintenance. No customer service team needed, no daily upkeep, just locks, keys, and a watchman. Most of it ran on its own. Reason 3, scalability. Starting from one location, he slowly repeated the same model in other cities. Same formula. Every time, get land, build units, rent them out, and let it run. Reason 4, nobody else was paying attention, while everyone else was chasing tech startups, apps, and social media brands. No one was looking at this business. That's exactly why competition stayed low and margins stayed high. Slowly, this boring-looking business turned into an empire over the years, without a single headline. Here's the most interesting part. As the business grew, he built a system where everything, bookings, payments, maintenance, ran on autopilot. He no longer needed to go to an office every day. He'd check the numbers from home, review a report once a month, and that was it. The rest of his time went to his family or exploring new places. That's the real meaning of passive income, where money comes not from your daily effort, but from the system you've built. Today, there are many business models that quietly make money this exact same way. Vending machine business. Set up the machine once, just keep restocking it. Laundromats and self-service stores. The machines do the work, not you. Parking lot business. Turning empty land into an income-generating asset. Royalties and licensing. Create a product or formula once, and keep earning from it for years. The common thread in all of these: hard work upfront. But once the system is in place, less effort and more income. This story teaches us 3 big lessons. Lesson 1. Boring businesses are often the most profitable. The businesses that don't look glamorous usually have less competition and higher margins. Lesson 2. Build a system. Don't just build a job. If your business can't run without you, it's not a business. It's just your new job. Real wealth comes when the system works for you. Lesson 3. Small beginnings can build big empires. This man also started with just one small piece of land. Patience and repetition turned it into a billion-dollar business. So the next time you come across a boring business idea, Don't ignore it. It might be the very idea that leads you to financial freedom. If you enjoyed this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which silent business idea do you think could work in your city. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.